Jamui, and I want to help you to discover the world of sign painting and find your own style. In the US, they call it sign painting. In England, they call it sign writing. At the end of the day, it's the art of the folks, and every sign writer has their own style. Back in the time, every shop fascia, window, menu, and billboard were hand-painted by a sign writer. And with the arrival of the computers, printers, and plotters, this craft almost disappeared. Fortunately, with the revival of the appreciation for handmade and authentic things, sign writing is having a boom again. In sign painting, there are four main alphabet styles. There is casual, script, block, and Roman. And this time, we are going to focus all our attention on learning the script style. In my case, it started as a hobby, and then I decided to change my laptop and life of an office for brushes and paint, and I turned it into my business. Sign painting is a craft that you can turn into a hobby, into your business, or that you can use to scale up your current portfolio. Doesn't matter what you do with it. I promise that with sign painting, you are going to expand your creativity. By embracing my style, I have had the chance to participate in world-renowned festivals, showcasing my work to an international audience. Monetizing sign painting isn't complicated. Every business owner is looking to stand out from the market. And what better than a sign to help to bring new clients inside? Or a beautiful menu board to increase the sales? Or a beautiful window to let everyone know the opening hours? Or tell me, what about your friends that are looking for the perfect gift idea? And what a sign for this? So, the opportunities to get money with this craft and skill are millions. From the foundations and tool manipulation to the conceptual design and final details, I will guide you through so you can create a sign that is 100% your style. I am convinced that my workshop is excellent and my formula works, so I will teach you how to paint signs from scratch as a pro. But better, listen to what the participants have to say from my previous workshop. Don't wait too long to secure your spot. Last time, the workshop was sold out in only 2 days. Whether you are a beginner or already have some experience, the key is to explore and find your own path into sign painting. Join us this August 24th and 25th in Belfast. This is your chance to make your art stand out. I'm really looking forward to meet you at the workshop, or follow the link in the description to secure your spot. I see you soon. Ciao, ciao.